A denied Mission Lane application does not always mean you cannot get approved later, but the reason for the denial determines what you should do next. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Mission Lane application can be denied, and the steps you can take before applying again. The first step is finding out why the application was declined. Credit card companies review information from your application, your credit profile, and other factors available during the review process. The denial notice can help explain which part of your application affected the decision. One common issue is inaccurate information on your credit report. If your personal information, account history, or payment records are incorrect, review your credit reports and dispute any errors with the reporting agencies that show the mistake. Another reason can be limited credit history. If you have little or no borrowing history, lenders may have less information to evaluate your application. Building a consistent record of on-time payments and responsible account use can help create a stronger profile over time. Existing credit obligations can also affect approval decisions. High balances, missed payments, or recent credit activity may change how lenders view your application. Reviewing your current accounts can help you understand what may need attention. If your Mission Lane application was denied, avoid immediately submitting multiple applications for other cards. Each application can create additional activity on your credit profile, so focus on understanding the reason first. You can also check whether your application information was entered correctly. A mistake with your income, address, or personal details can cause problems during the review process. If you decide to apply again, make sure your information is accurate and your credit profile has improved based on the reason for the original denial. The right timing depends on your specific situation. The main points are simple. Find the reason for the denial, correct any inaccurate information, and improve the factors that affected your application before trying again. Your next step is to review the denial explanation and check your credit information carefully. If this guide helped you understand what to do after a Mission Lane denial, like the video and subscribe for more clear answers about credit applications and financial tools.